What's going on, beautiful people? AI is now at a point where I can confidently say that it can actually get things done. It can actually do things for you that is an actual hassle for you to do. So today I will be going over one of my favorite AI apps and how you can use it to completely get rid of entire processes with one AI agent. And it's very easy to create these AI agents. You don't need any prior knowledge to AI. You can go in, get on this platform, and create bots that will get things done for you. So let's get into it. Okay, so right here we have Relevance AI, and as you can see, it helps you build teams of AI agents that deliver human quality work. And so this is very significant because it's coming to a time where jobs that are getting paid, $100,000 plus are getting replaced by AI agents able to do every single thing that they can do. And I've been exploring a very interesting area of AI use cases for businesses that I think this is a very early stage of. And so as we can see, they have a few different, templates down here that you can use: manage my email inbox, qualify my leads, write a blog post, reply to my customer. But we are going to create an AI agent that can search for different people in specific companies and draft emails to them for our purpose. So what we're going to say is draft emails, find and draft emails for specific companies when given a domain, for specific employees when giving a domain. So let's generate this AI agent, and this is going to show exactly how easy it is. This is the visual of the AI agent you can get. It's basically like getting him ready and stuff like that. So it's going to create the instructions for you, and we're going to go over a second way to basically create a more optimized AI agent, and stay tuned for example number 2 for that one. But this is going to do everything for you, name it, write the agent instructions. So it says you are Hunter, an AI assistant tasked with finding employees at a company given their domain name and drafting personalized outreach emails. You will be provided with a domain name and employee criteria such as job title. Okay, so basically it's going to find a list of employees that match the given criteria at the company, and then extract the LinkedIn profile data, and then perform a Google search to find any recent news or achievements related to that employee. It may be related to the company as well. And then it's going to compose an email and send the email. So in this box, you can change the instructions. You can give it context. So you can say, context, I am a pool chemical salesperson and would like to get more clients. We just recently came out with a new mixture that pool companies are loving. So let's just give a little bit of context like that. And so we're just going to create the agent basically that it gave us. So that's going to take a little bit of time. But in the meantime, if you are looking for branding for your company, if you have no idea how you're supposed to show up in the online marketplace in this new digital age, contact me. My name is David Logan. I am the owner of the Views Agency. We're a branding agency, and we can help you do everything from social media management, branded shoots, your whole entire logo suite package, or your online brand guidelines that can streamline your marketing and also partnerships for your company. Then be sure to send me an email, dlogan@theviewsagency.com, or check out my Instagram at dlobrands and just DM me there. But let's get back to this. It's created our agent for us, and it's saying, okay, nice to meet you. Pick one of these sample tasks. Okay, so let's do YMCA. Let's do YMCA. So we gave it context saying that we have a pool product. And so now it's geared more towards finding people that, are involved with pools. So you can see the steps that are performed in the background: find domain employees, extract the LinkedIn data, and compose an email. And we can see it do it in real time. Okay. Exciting eco-friendly solutions for YMCA. Okay. Here are the details of the emails sent. Okay. So let's go view the emails. Hi, Jane. I hope you're doing well. I was impressed to learn about your commitment to eco-friendly practices in pool management at YMCA, especially your recent feature in a local article for promoting these initiatives. So basically, what this agent has just done is found a name, researched that name, made a hyper personalized email to be able to get them talking about what we want them to talk about, which is their eco-friendly practices in pool management, because we have an eco-friendly chemical solution that can help that. Would you be interested in a quick chat to discuss this further? This is the type of email that a regular person would utilize and send for cold outreach. So honestly, I get this email like an 8 out of 10. Like, this is actually very, very good. So it actually sends the emails, and this is a trial of this. But I have tried this in like when everything is configured and everything works the same. It's just looking up a name, looking up that name on LinkedIn, finding the actual information about that person's name pertaining to the company. And I like that it was an article, but in the article that the agent found, it was talking about eco-friendly pool practices, and that is geared completely towards the audience that I'm sure that pool company is looking for. So that is one way, but we are also going to create one more agent. So just to keep it very simple. Let's say we wanted to create an agent and we wanted to make sure that it had the best instructions possible. What we can do is not only think about what we want our agent to be, but get other AI to think about what we want our agent to be. And so we are going to open up ChatGPT. Now that we're in ChatGPT, let's say that we want to create a bot that can research a niche, find the top people within that niche. So let's say I want to create an AI agent instructions that can research a specific niche, find the top knowledge leaders in that niche or top people, and find their content and put it in a spreadsheet. Find their top performing content and put it in the last 6 months and put it in a spreadsheet. Okay, so I want to create an AI agent's instructions that can research a specific niche, find the top knowledge leaders in that niche or top people, and find their top performing content in the last 6 months and put it in a spreadsheet. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Objective: define the niche, identify the knowledge leaders, search for industry leaders, thought leaders, topics within niche, rank them based on follower count, engagement rate, extract top performing content, gather the last 6 of the content across the most liked and retweet. Okay, so yeah, this is doing everything that it is supposed to. So bam, we are going to copy. Actually, we're going to copy this, put it in there, and then we are going to copy step 1 all the way down to step 5. Mission, AI scraping tools. So paste that in there, and now let's see what type of different output this gives us. So generate AI agent, and you see this is significantly more information than we gave our AI agent Hunter. Could you please specify the niche you are interested in? Let's just put AI infrastructure, personal finance, and emerging technologies. And so I like that while it's creating the agent, it will need clarification at certain points for you to basically give it those niches. And so now that it has the niches, it's going to be able to plan the entire agent out, and let's see what it gives us. All right, so we have Atlas. Let's see the instructions that we're given. Okay, So Atlas, identifying knowledge leaders in specific domains and collecting their top performing content. Use Google search, extract the LinkedIn, fetch LinkedIn posts. So this is just going to be on one particular platform. And if we wanted to add more platforms, all we would need to do is copy and paste that, and we'll change that tool inside of the actual agent. Use analysis content performance to analyze the performance. Okay. Then generate a content summary, include key metrics, and then terminate rules to follow that are directly related to the specific domain. I don't like the word domain. You will be provided with a domain name to search for knowledge leaders. Yeah, I think that may be from our last generation. So let's say turn a list of 3 knowledge leaders, say 5 knowledge leaders, specified niche. Okay, boom. So we're going to create this agent now that we have changed the actual instructions to be what we want it to be. And let's use one of the actual the sample prompts. So analyze influencer data, Web3 and blockchain development, prioritize Ethereum Foundation and Binance. So it's definitely going with the niches that we set, which is in AI and emerging technologies, stuff like that. So let's say AI ethics. Let's just see this one. And so this is going to run, and this is, one of so many different AIs that you can utilize to do a lot of things. And so let me know if you would like more videos like this, because this stuff I use literally every day. I mean, Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Sora, VO2 by Google. I mean, these things are very powerful tools, and I would love to share it with you guys. So let me know if this is something that you would like to see more. I'll be happy to create the videos for sure, because this definitely is something that I'm thinking about providing to my local area. I mean, we set this up pretty quickly, but a lot of the older audience does not find this stuff and find it easy to get through. They look at this and it's like, bro, what is happening? Like, it's just writing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking about offering this to my local area. And okay, so basically it picked out the content for all of them. It performed 6 steps. It simulated a Google search, search for AI ethics and responsible leaders, Microsoft Research Division. Okay, so co-founder of Black in AI, senior principal at Microsoft Research, Stanford's Human-Centered AI Institute, OpenAI, and OpenAI, or Anthropic as well. So that's cool. Fetch LinkedIn posts. So it does all of this stuff in the background. You're not going to actually see it do all this stuff, but okay. So it analyzed the post, composed and a content summary, and we can actually click on these posts. And well, this is probably just a simulation right now, but it'll go to their LinkedIn profiles, and these are real LinkedIn profiles. As you can see, Kay Crawford, program developer. So it's actually finding stuff, but it pretty much came up with a lot of data that we can use. And so in this use case, it would be about finding the best winning content strategy based on the previous efforts of already thought leaders in that space. And so you can do this for any niche possible, but I appreciate you for watching. I hope that you learned something in this video. Let me know if you want me to do more AI tools. I did make a video about ChatGPT plus Midjourney, but we can get into even deeper tools like, Lovable. We can build entire apps. Claude, you can build entire apps. Perplexity is the best place to search on the web. Grok. We can go into literally every AI model and how you can utilize that to upgrade whatever operation you're doing, even if it's just personal projects, even if you want to train your own AI model to make pictures of yourself. I can show you guys all of that. So let me know if you do want to see more. But like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.